when I got hemiplegia, I kept on looking for someone to actually pick me up, to motivate me, to actually show me the way. But the truth is, the doctors can give you the perfect exercises. The therapist can guide you for an hour, but when you're at home staring at yourself, all it is you, and you have to do the exercises yourself, and that's the hard part, just being by yourself and doing exercises every day. And I've not done it. Like, I don't expect you lot to do it every single day, but that's the thing. That is the reality of it. Recovery is brutal and lonely, it's frustrating, and most people won't understand it. But there are days when even walking felt impossible, days when the body won't listen, days when you feel like you're just moving backwards instead of forwards. And in those moments, the old you keep on in your head creeps back, and the weaker self, the you that wants to quit, that voice inside your head saying, what's the point, I'll never get back to the same place again. But that's the exact choice that you need to make. You can either agree with the voices or ignore them and keep on doing what you're doing. But the version of you struggling, what's it called? The version you're struggling is self-need. Think like this: imagine you're the younger version of you, scared, insecure, frustrated. Now imagine the older you, strong, walking into a room full of people without a shadow in sight that you will look stupid. What would he say? What would he do? How would he carry himself? But the person that you're building is not a perfect man, not superhuman, but someone who is disciplined, resilient, committed enough to keep showing up no matter what. But build the future version of you and just get a notebook, write everything down, like how he moves, how he thinks, how he lives day to day. This version of you be your North Star. Just be specific, and every action you take should point towards that future version of you. Too many people quit before they even progress, and that's huge. So just don't be put off by exercises. Just keep on having in your head that future version of me, what it does, and 10 minutes of stretching, 5 minutes of balance work, anything that you should do. Every time you feel stuck, just ask yourself, what would the stronger version of me say right now, and act on that. And even if you do need a refresh in your mind, just grab the notebook, read what you've put, and keep on adding to it. Like, I'm sure, like 6 months from now, you will see, you will think of, oh yeah, that future version of me would do this. Write it down, and then keep on adding to it. But you should get another notebook or just your phone and write down every single win that that you've done, every rep, every exercise, every new thing that you can do, even on the bad days. Just go back and read the list, and that reminds you that you have progressed and you want to be further down that line. And that's why it's so powerful. When you become the person who you want to be and who yourself needs, you stop waiting for a rescue, and you stop looking for external motivation. You stop needing someone to pull you out of that dark place. Instead, you become the light. And the craziest part, others start noticing, like family, friends, even strangers, like they see your growth, and you're becoming that role model that yourself needs. And there's a bigger picture, just not just that your transformation shows you what's possible. Becoming that person that yourself needs. It's about achieving perfection, and it's not about refusing to stay the same. And every day you have a choice: just listen to your weak voice or step into a stronger one. And your recovery isn't just about exercises, it's about your identity and about building a stronger version of yourself. And your past self, let's say when you start, when you've just had the stroke, if you see yourself from now and what you will be, at the start you'll say, oh, I'd never be like that. But so just don't wait, start today if you haven't already, or just regain that power. And because you're the only version who can save you, and that's the truth. But if you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.